The turbo cooler line on this 1.8 turbo Volkswagen. I lifted the engine up and I undid the motor mount. It didn't work. We had to take the exhaust manifold off to get this turbo coolant line on because the angle needs to be perfectly vertical pretty much, and you can't get perfectly vertical with your extension with the exhaust manifold in the way. You just can't do it. It's not possible. I did it for about an hour and a half and it did not work at all. It would not catch any threads because I was going in at an angle and my tool would not go straight in there because it was hitting the exhaust manifold. So food for thought. Those of you who want to try it, feel free to, but you know, I know it doesn't work because I've tried it. There's no room. Let's see.
And you were trying the different like swivel things, right?
Yep.
And they still weren't working.
Trying swivel extensions, wobble extensions. I was trying real thin hex heads. It wasn't working.
Yeah.
None of it would, because you have to be pretty much straight. Look how close this extension is to the valve cover. It's pretty much perfectly vertical to be on top of that turbo coolant line.
Yep.
We were never going to get there.
Right there.
Yep. See, that's pretty vertical. Right now,
Yeah.
if the exhaust manifold would be on here, this wouldn't be on here. The extension wouldn't be able to get on.
Yeah.
So, but we're going to tighten her down. Yes, we had to remove the exhaust manifold. We absolutely had to.
Which kind of sucked.
Yep, it did suck, but we proved it. We absolutely proved it.
And there's a bunch of those little bolts under there too on the exhaust manifold. How many did you take off in the end?
Oh my God, it was about 16.
It was a lot of little exhaust manifold bolts.
It was a lot of them.
They're tiny and they come with washers. Be careful not to lose them.
Yep, seriously was.
Yeah.
We're going to post this on YouTube right now so we can get 500,000 views because this will come in very handy.